Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. In this video, we spoke to Professor Sam Mohideen, a consultant cardiologist, while filming our To Be Heart Safe training course, and asked him, why is CPR training so important?
The heart is a very important organ because it allows us to live. It starts beating when we're still in the mother's womb, and it carries on until we die. It beats between 50 to sometimes 200 beats a minute. It provides circulation of the blood, which carries nutrients to all the organs. I am a cardiologist. I've chosen this field because I find the heart's fascinating, and I think it is a rather simple organ, but it allows us to carry on throughout our life.